So here sa number 5, double integral x squared y squared plus cosine pi x plus sine pi y dx dy. Ito yung boundary dito sa dx, ito yung boundary ng dito sa dy. So since nauna yung dx, mag-integrate tayo first in terms or like with respect to dx or to x. So first term, kapag plus, 'di ba, pag sina-separate ng plus, integrate separately or like term by term. So dito, first term x squared y squared, integral niyan, iti-treat mo yung y squared as constant. So parang kunyari, yung y squared is 3x squared, ganon. Kunyari lang naman yun. Pero since y squared siya, kasi integrate mo siya by with respect to x, so bali labas mo yung y squared tapos integrate x squared. So bali y squared tapos integrate mo yung isa, so x cube over 3. Right? Tapos ito yung boundary from negative 2 to negative 1. Then next, this one, may x siya. So bali, pag in-integrate mo yung ano, 'di ba? Yung ito. So bali, lalabas mo yung constant tas 1 over the constant. Parang ganun. So 1 bali magiging plus 1 over pi. Tama, 'di ba? Tapos change bali magiging sign. Positive sign. So sin pi of x from negative 2 to 1. Tapos plus, since ito walang x, so bali treat mo lang siya as constant. So bali lalagyan mo lang siya ng x, 'di ba? So bali magiging plus x sin pi of pi y. Shit. Masyado malaki yata sulat ko. From negative 2 to negative 1 dy. So ganun. Integral. So bali 0 to 1. So bali ito, evaluate mo na siya. I mean, bago ka mag-integrate with respect to y. So, yeah. X cube, labas mo na si 1/3. No? Pero since, sige, go. X cube raised to 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus negative 8. So, plus 8. Tama, diba? Y squared. Tapos, plus y squared over 3. Sorry. So, plus this one. Sin pi x. Sin pi x from negative 2 to negative 1. So, bali magiging sin pi negative 2. I mean, negative 1 minus negative 2. So, negative 1 plus 2. So, sin pi times 1. Right? So, sin pi times 1. So, sin pi. Which is just 1. So, plus... Oh, wait. Yeah. Sin pi nga lang. So, 1 over pi sin pi. Tama, no? Plus this one. Ganun lang din. Yung x, papalitan mo ng negative 1, negative 1 plus 2. So, bali magiging sin pi y dy. Yan. Pwede mo na siya i-separate integrate per term. So, eto, since may y squared, di ba? So, bali magiging y cube. Y cube. Tapos may 3 sa baba. So, y cube over 3 times 3, which is 9. Tapos, ito 7. Diba? So, 7y cube over 9. From 0 to 1 plus sin pi over pi tapos dy. So maglalagay ka lang ng y. So sin pi over pi times y from 0 to 1 minus 1 over pi cosine pi y from 0 to 1. Evaluate. Okay. So, y cube 1. So, 1 lang yan. 7 times 1. Tapos, 1 minus 0, 1 pa rin. So, 7 over 9. 7 over 9 plus sin pi over pi. Sin pi is 0. 0 over pi is 0 pa rin. Times y, whenever kahit anong value niyan, 0 pa rin. So, 0. Minus 1 over pi cosine pi y. So, bali, was cosine pi is 1. No. Cosine pi is negative 1, right? Tama ba? Cosine pi is negative negative 1. Tapos wait, so 1 over pi times cosine pi 1 times 1, so minus cosine 0, right? So cosine pi is negative 1. Negative 1 minus negative 1 minus 1, ganun ba yun? Yeah, negative 2. So negative 2 tas negative times negative positive, so bali magiging 7 over 9 plus 0. Diba? Since ito negative 1 minus 1, so bali negative 2. Doon ako nalito. So, negative 1 over pi times negative 2 is positive 2 pi. So bali LCD, 9 pi. 9 pi divided by 9 is pi. Pi times 7 is 7. 7 pi. So, 9 pi divided by pi is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Yun ang sagot. 7 pi plus 18 over 9 pi. Next. This one. Madali lang to. Yung number 6. Yan. Since ito, ang una niyang multiplier is with respect to y. Since walang y dito, magiging i-treat mo as constant. So, labas. Di ba lahat ng constant nilalabas? So, bali, the integral from 0 to 6 of square root of 36 minus x squared times the integral of dy. Di ba? From 0 to square root of 36 over, raised to x, 30 square root of 36 minus x squared dx. So, iano mo lang to, boundary. So, substitute 36 square root of 36 minus x squared minus 0, yun to lang. So, bali magiging eto times eto. So, square root of 36 minus x squared times square root of 36 minus x squared dx from 0 to 6. Pag pinag-times mo to, makakancel lang yung square root sign kasi pareho lang naman siya. So, bali magiging the integral from 0 to 6 of 36 dx minus the integral from 0 to 6 of x squared dx. Alright, so bali 36 x from 0 to 6 minus x squared from 0 to 6. X cube. Sorry, hindi ko na-integrate. From 0 to 6. Yes. So, 36 times 6 tapos x 0, diba? So, 6 minus 0 is 0. Is 6 pa rin. So, 36 times 6 is 216 minus x cube. So, substitute yung 6. 6 cube is 216. Divided by 3 is 72. 216 minus 72. Divisible naman siya. So, like, 72 times 2 is 144. Yan. Now, next. This one, number 7. Hirap sa buhay. The integral from 0 to 2, the integral from 3x over 2 to 3. Since ito, i-substitute mo lang siya. So, 5x over 2 minus 0, so 5x over 2. Tama? So, z, 5x over 2. So, 5x over 2 dy dx. So, x, in terms of x na naman siya. So, lalabas na naman siya. So, bali magiging integral from 0 to 2 of 5x over 2 so integral from 3x over 2 to 3 dy dx. Substitute lang. So, y from 3x over 2 to 3 dx 5x over 2 from 0 to 2. Tama. So, substitute 3 minus 3x over 2 times, etong 5 over 2, pwede na lumabas since constant yan. 5 over 2 integral x from 0 to 2. X times 3 minus x squared dx. Since yung 3 divisible dito, pwede na naman ilabas yan. So, magiging 15 over 2 integral from 0 to 2 x times 1 minus i-distribute na natin. So, anyways, basta x over 2 dx. Pwede i-distribute yan para mas madali. So, 15 over 2 integral from 0 to 2 x minus x squared over 2 dx. Ayan. So, 15 over 4. 15 over 4. Ba't naging 15 over 4? Ito kasi magkakaroon ng denominator na 2. So, x squared over 2, diba? So, 15 over 4 x squared from 0 to 2 minus, ito magkakaroon ng 15 over 2 na naman. So, 15 over 2, para ito magkakaroon ng 6. Ay, magiging 6 kasi magiging x cube. X cube over 3. So, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 15 over 2 is 5 over 4. 5 over 4 x raised to 3 from 0 to 2. Yan. So, x squared, isa-substitute mo si 2. Itong 0, magiging 0 lang din naman yun eh. So, disregard mo na yan. So, bali, x squared, ilalagay mo si 2. So, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 15 over 4, 15. Maka-cancel lang yung 4, diba? 4 times 15 over 4, cancel yung 4, magiging 15 lang. Minus 15 over 4, x cube, papalit mo si 2. 2 cube is 8. 8, cancel si 4, matitira yung 2. So, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 is equal to 5. Ang hirap. Basta yun, yung sagot, 5. Just 8. Ayan. Eto, tignan mo yung first integrand with respect to z. Walang z. Since walang z, wala siyang respeto kay z. Child. Lalagay mo siya sa unahan. Since iti-treat mo siya as constant, walang z. So, bali, substitute mo na agad to. So, bali magiging integral from 0 to pi, integral from 0 to sine theta r cosine squared theta. Tapos ito, isa-substitute mo na siya. R sine theta minus 0 is R sine theta pa rin. So, R sine theta dr d theta. Right, correct. So, bali, differentiate integrate with respect to r, may r naman. So, bali sila yung matitira dito sa loob, yung ibang variable mapupunta sa labas. Since iti-treat mo siya as constant. So, bali, the integral from 0 to pi, yung eto, cosine squared theta, sine theta, r squared, diba? Integral from 0 to sine theta r squared dr d theta. Edi basic na yan. R cube over 3. So, since 1/3 is constant, ilalabas mo yung 1/3. So, 1/3, kahit hanggang dito na sa labas, kasi hindi mo naman i-integrate yan kahit kailan. Constant yan. So, 1/3 from 0 to pi cosine squared theta sine theta r cube from 0 to sine theta d theta. So r cube, so sine cube theta, right? 1/3 integral from 0 to pi cosine squared theta. Since sine cube to, may sine theta dito, so bali magiging sine raised to 4 theta d theta. Right? Since r cube, papalit mo si sine theta. So, sine cube, tas sine theta. Mag-add ka ng isang exponent kasi may 1 to exponent, diba? So, sine raised to 4 theta d theta. Yan. Since hindi siya pi over 2, hindi ka makagamit ng Wallis. Kung Wallis yan, napakadali. Tapos na agad. Pero since hindi nga siya Wallis, gagamit ka ng double angle formula or like double angle formula. So, bali magiging 1/3 from 0 to pi of 1 half. I'm sorry. 1 half 1 plus cosine 2 theta. This one is sine squared theta raised to 2. So, yung sine squared theta is equal to 1 half times 1 minus cosine 2 theta. Since naka-raise siya sa 4, i-raise mo pa siya sa 2 ulit. Right? Tapos d theta. D theta. Ang hirap. So, since ito 1 half squared is 1/4 times 1 half 1 over 8 ba? 1/4 times 1 half 1/8 times 1/3 is 1 over 24 from 0 to pi 1 plus cosine 2 theta times 1 1 1 1 1 1 minus cosine 2 theta d theta squared. I'm so sorry. So bali iyan mo to foil. So bali magiging 1 minus 2 cosine 2 theta plus cosine raised to 2. Tama? Cosine raised to 2. 2 theta. Tapos, ito naman. I-multiply mo siya sa 1 plus cosine 2 theta. 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 2 cosine theta, 2 cosine theta, negative 2 cosine theta, 2 cosine 2 theta. So, bali, 1 times cosine squared 2 theta, so bali plus cosine squared 2 theta. Cosine 2 theta times 1 is cosine 2 theta, right? Cosine 2 theta. Cosine 2 theta times 2 cosine theta. So, bali magiging negative lang din. Kaso may squared. So, minus. Wait lang, lagyan natin ng 0 to pi. Tapos 1 over 24. Cosine 2 theta. 2 cosine theta, cosine theta times 2 times negative 2 cosine theta is negative 2 cosine squared 2 theta. Right? Cosine 2 theta times cosine squared theta is cosine cube plus cosine cube 2 theta. Combine like terms. Negative 2 cosine 2 theta tapos positive 1 cosine 2 theta. Pag pinag-merge mo, magiging negative lang yan. Tapos, itong cosine squared, isang positive, isang negative. So, bali magiging isang negative lang din. Right? So, bali magiging 1 over 24 from 0 to pi 1 minus cosine 2 theta kasi sinimplify ito rin isi-simplify mo minus 2 cosine squared 2 theta plus cosine cube ang hirap cosine cube 2 theta d theta actually part 2 ng lesson nung basic pa pwede mo na siya i-evaluate kung kabisado mo na. So eto 1 integral mo yan, so 1 over 24 times the quantity of theta from pi to 0, so pi lang yun, minus cosine 2 theta is just double angle identity yun actually. So magiging sine siya, di ba? Sine 2 theta. So 1 half sine 2 theta, 1 half 0 minus 0 is 0. Right? So tapos minus 2 cosine squared 2 theta. Pwede gagawin mo siyang yung 1 paano hindi ginawa ko dun? Anyways, it's just pi over 2. So, minus pi over 2. Plus, eto, kapag ginamitan mo siya ng, ng changing the, like, pag diba, eto, papalitan mo ito ng u. So, bali magkakaroon ka ng 1 half sa labas. 1 half cosine cube u. Tapos, magtitira ka ng isang cosine. So, cosine squared is 1 minus sine squared. Tapos, ano yun?
Pwede pala gawing ano yan?
Yes. Shh. I'm making a video. So, bali magiging ano siya, 'di ba? 1/2, papakita ko 1/2 from, di pa natin alam yung ano, yung boundary. So, cosine u tapos 1 minus sine squared u, 'di ba? So, bali ang magiging ano u is ito. Yan, maka-cancel na yan. Yung basta yan. So, bali sine u is equal to sine u. Right? U is equal to sine u. Sine 0 is 0. Sine pi is 0 pa rin. So, ang magiging boundary mo 0 from 0 to 0. So, bali magiging 0 lang siya. 'Di ba? Calculate mo, sine 0, yung 0, ilang units ka umangat? 0. Yung pi, ilang units ka umangat? 0 pa rin. So, 0 lang yun. Wala kang inangatan eh. So, ang boundary mo sa 0 lang. So, hindi, yung boundary mo, isang ano lang, walang value yun. So, 0. So, pwede mo na ito evaluate. So, 1 over 24 pi minus 0 minus pi over 2 plus 0. So, pi minus kalahati niya, edi kalahati niya, 'di ba? So, pi over 2 times 1 over 24, which is pi over 48. And that's it. Multiple integral.